Hey everyone, I hope you all are doing great in your life plus in your studies also. So tomorrow is 7 June 2021 and here is my tomorrow's to-do list. But first of all, I wanted to ask you something about the puzzles. So I am thinking about the taking the 100 puzzles challenge, which is solving 100 prelims level puzzles in one day. So tell me if you also want to do it, and then we will do it together like tomorrow or the next day. So we will try to solve these puzzles, and then we will analyze that if the speed increases after doing the puzzles or not, because I have seen a few videos in which they practice 100 puzzles in a day, and at the end of the puzzles they say that their speed has increased. So for doing this, I would also like to practice this, and tell me if you also want to do this. So tomorrow I will cover my daily current affairs plus weekly current affairs of April second week, and for current affairs I am following affairs cloud. So April second week I am preparing for from question and answer PDF, which is weekly. Then I will practice one arithmetic chapter of quants. You can practice any chapter of your choice, and then 5 questions of data sufficiency and quantity 1 and quantity 2. For these type of questions, you can just open your mains mocks and you can solve these questions from there. For mains mocks, I would suggest you to go for olive board mocks, because in mains there is no competition of olive board, as the content in the mocks is very good. So you can go for olive board mocks. The link will be given in description. You can tap on the link and buy the test series, because no one can beat olive board in mains content. Now we will move to puzzles. So I will solve 2 mains level puzzles and 2 mains DIs also. For mains reasoning, I will solve 5 questions of coded blood relation and 10 questions of prelims puzzles. Then I will read editorial, and for editorial you can use vocab 24 app, and for mains RC also you can use your mains mock test, because in mains mock test there are ample amount of questions which we don't even use if we have any yearly subscription. Then we don't even use many questions of many mock tests. So try to use that also, and try to use olive board for your mains preparation. So that's all for tomorrow. Thank you and have a nice day.